Thai stock market in May 2025 declined by 4% from previous month as a result of the uncertainty in the trade negotiation between US and China that despite their meeting in Geneva, there's still uncertainty surrounding the outcome. Also, there's a reduction in the Thai stock market weight in MSCI index that has resulted in the net foreign sale in the end of May. Despite that, the resulting GDP number for Thailand for the first quarter has been quite good as a result of the higher export and the public investment. Also, the decline in oil price and the cut in policy rate from the Bank of Thailand has lowered the cost of goods sold for the listed company, resulting in higher than increase in the net profit for the Q1 result of the earning for Thai companies. And this concludes the May 2025 result of the stock market in Thailand.